Do you struggle with memorizing English vocabulary? Are you jealous with those with super memory? Actually, by using your senses to learn, you can memorize English vocabulary fast and effectively. In this video, let's look into the power of visual, auditory, and kinesthetic memory. First thing first, everyone learns new information in different ways. You need to understand three main types of memory: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learners are more sensitive to sight, auditory learners react more to sound, and kinesthetic learners are more susceptible to feeling and movement. Most people are a mix of two learning styles, but the best learners can use all three types and associate whatever they learn with sensory experiences. Figuring out how you learn can save the time you spend on studying. If you don't know your learning styles, this questionnaire may help you. How can we apply these styles of memory to learning vocabulary? 1. Connect the words with feeling and movement. Kinesthetic learners find it hard to sit for a long period of time or pay attention to auditory or visual presentations. They love touching, feeling, and manipulating objects. They use movement to help them remember things. If you are this type of learner, try to link English vocabulary to movement. Let's say you encounter this word, punch. You can turn it into a gesture. I want to punch you in the face, punch, 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 punch. You can also connect words with emotions. Take this word, hilarious, which means highly amusing. You can also act it out.
Look at Mr. B, he's hilarious.
Anyway, you don't need to sit silently to learn a language. Find the kinesthetic activities that suit you. 2. Make mental visualizations. Visual learners learn best through what they see. They tend to understand and remember things associated with images. They enjoy looking at pictures, videos, and graphics, and using lists to organize their thoughts. So you can print or draw a picture of the word, and then write the word around it. Let's say you see this word, diarrhea. Draw a toilet with a person sitting on it and a brown liquid coming out of his body. What about this word, hijack? Think about characters in movies who take control of an aircraft during a journey.
Don't move! Don't move! Transfer $1 million to me, or I will kill someone right away.
A picture is worth 1,000 words. Create pictures to reinforce what you are trying to learn. 3. Connect words with sounds. Auditory learners learn information best when it's presented through sound and speech. They prefer lectures and discussions over long reading assignments. For those of you with this learning style, visually reading a word's definition may not be enough. You'll probably need to hear the word pronounced and listen to a verbal explanation of the word. So a mental connection between the sound and the meaning will be created. You may even memorize songs to learn English words if you are into music.
Down a deer, a female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me and they, I call myself, far a long, long way to run.
So, find out what works best for you and incorporate some methods about interlearning process. The key is to engage your senses and make the memorization process easier for you. If you want to memorize English vocabulary more effectively, I'll share more tips. Thanks for watching. I'm Xiaobing Bao. Have a good day.